What up, Ghana? What up, West Africa? This is your boy, the fresh boy, Papa J, the entertainment ambassador. I'm your regular host for EnterChat. EnterChat, a program I did bring my celebrities, a dim come on.
Bats, get it, EnterChat.
My God is in here. EnterChat.
Aha, EnterChat. We don't Papa Kumasi.
Keep watching EnterChat. Oh, Lord of mercy.
EnterChat here and some Cassier.
And it's this show, EnterChat. Don't go anywhere, though.
We share EnterChat.
Do you believe in prophecy?
I do, I'm a Christian.
Ahana, what is going on in and outside their life? Ahani busa and semina. One kasa, they be out to ultimate emusano.
I'm not supposed to watch this schedule.
Me now know me later. And they call me Eugene. What's up with your rockstar? Call me Eugene and keep watching EnterChat. Don't go anywhere. Rockstar. Yeah.
All right, lovely kitty boos and kitty babs. This is your boy, the fresh boy, Papa J, the entertainment ambassador. And also, you send share beam on EnterChat. Say the DBA, your rim, your bray, your partner, and easy. Interview I de bremono off the hook. What you say? Your rim aquacofa, one of the influential male actors. Ewa Ghana hana emubako edi aba. Papa we ye come movies in Ghana. Wajini din papa. Ni role otai e play no abribia no or your papa or your busuanity. Ena osanso your sofo. Na o share sen you see acting na. On funny role in the agrokra until since I'll be rad the movie industry no movie bio won't be no just enye poli uti we say we share the movie sir unya morales is bebebe edi efrimo em say wadwene aye obi bi kakra e ka mebo ni dimpa so meko na camera ne to no so a wankasa obehu papa ene ye ne no eba betwetwe komo on EnterChat. Mon kame ho na me mano akwaba. Papa. Me mo akwaba.
Yeah.
Say we dey mo angasa mo hu nipa kro. Kama no to so mo say ne Apostle John Prah na eba be din komo on EnterChat. What it is bebre afa no ho. Nti ene ono angasa wo ha bebusa no. Say dey wo tie no no kre. Ana say enye no kre. Dey na woni mfa no ho. Ebi kura wonti bibia mfa Apostle ho. Ene obeka ne ho nsem kakra. Ni hu kwan a ofa so oba be Apostle. Enye movie mu keke na emom ye be hu se nsem na nkasa esitie Apostle akwa babiem
Yeah.
me pacho bibia boko de
Nyame adu.
yeda nyame ase program we de se ne bibia ye ka no amanfo busa omo kire nipa yemfo omomra ene ya form e de omabane ne omabedidi nkomo intene owo ha de nipa bebre na ehwe ya obi ho wate apostle bet onim kwan apostle kwa fa so oba ya apostle enti me pesenka o kan ho asem kakra bi mehu apostle yakasa apostle kwa one hoy
Apostle as in the title and I said
Apostle John Prah
Apostle John Prah.
But obi a mete ho asem kakra bi a me ko be mi ebusam se na apostle kwa de na oni fa no ho a me so metimi aka bibi kakra de afa ho
Apostle John Prah abrantie bi a ofri adoagyiri nsawo.
Oh, okay.
And Akimoda. Me wa mi fi adoagyiri papa fi Akimoda.
Alright.
Because school or Benkum and Oda school and Apam.
Oh, okay.
Because school me and sending in a
Ko school me say o ko baby na eyi wedi na o ko to aso baby ana say o jaye na o ko to aso baby.
me akraba penti enyima di.
Okay.
Because form 1 to form 5 e wo Benkum.
Oh, okay.
And I'm here Mrs. Form or Oda school.
Oh, okay.
After 6 form no me qualification now form. But na Oduma no super say me law.
Oh, okay.
Tina was say me sign tribute. Na na we dwa because he felt to say commit me and making straight away from that school to the university.
Okay.
The agro many so. So like in a form of punishment, no. Instead say be an metro no. Mama say go back to lower sis.
Oh, okay.
To be fair say me call lower or that school no. Omo na omo ye junior or form 4 no be me meet to apam. That's how come.
I say uko wachi kakra. To genius no be to. E wo hono.
Me ko to.
Woko to omo.
Oh, it's not magic or two.
Oh, okay.
I will lower view.
Okay.
And it be and I had to combine the two and then go do the law. No? And I'm called joining spinning group. And we spin here for some time. And so
Is law number so?
school grammar uncle. After a permanent man to us.
What happened?
And I'm kind of spin here.
Oko spinning.
One thing is that me what school in now. Me schools now me calling. I'm entertainment prefect.
Oh, okay.
Or dance school, now me entertainment prefect. Benkumu na me entertainment prefect. Me bar permanent na me entertainment prefect.
Okay.
So I was more into it. To me, we no, now me joining for more sounds for some time.
No, someone na mo bonyom.
Yeah.
As now we a DJ.
Yes. The one I call me by. Yes.
No, we DJ ni mo na call ne by.
Yes.
I say because apostle your man say gina baby we bonyom obetimi abonyom.
Simple, right? Is there me and I'm saying more.
Okay. It call ne eba saying.
Oh, me there was tragic. And I be kakra. Me kai say a kobo show bi wo afia dying ba. Volta region.
Oh, okay.
Omo no Easter no omo bo omo jams na epona no. Deep in the night na on e bo no.
Okay.
So there was one time you call and then me so no me hear juma me bought reggae and a club music. Me we are na hand over.
Reggae and a club music.
Yes.
We are no hand over. Apostle come on I am the pa na mo me nko na me nko for commercial break me ba ye be hwe Apostle the DJ. Apostle the DJ. Na you want the so enko no say na sitie show no time herbal mixture and aso ye mo a ye de bro ye nko jen krato ye ba ye the Apostle the DJ segment no e ba beto aso de ama.
If I shop, I'm sure they will bag me.
Bra, Addai, and not so good.
Now tell me about Michelle and see about Queen. Why me and say?
Bra, said your time about Mesha, it's your Jimmy me fear for any idea about ever so.
Really, I know this is offending now.
Bra, so make us a maybe time about Mesha one dance here. We are singing now about Temenka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Mesha?
And you know, dear, no more to I want to meet any deal. What do any time about Mesha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear, what mark or down for any aquada when you fear do you know. And son of the total about Mr. Drabino. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
And Crossway, Food and Drugs Board for Ajiatu. Kayo said time near TIME. Time about Mesha. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziba a woman.
Send no to mosquitoes. Send no to kakalika. Mosquito spray for Piabo. Any classic no. Uko gaswa kasamibia mipeno. Mami mi tobacco to minu. Mami no. No mosquito for AM. And Sansumpu was yet as a wow. Full of full. Full of full. As a kill them. Full of full. Full of full. Mama is a shit. Mama is a shit. Mama is a shit. Mama is a shit. Mama is a bread. Mama is a bread. Mama is a bread. Classic no mosquito spray and coil. Who better feeling?
Welcome back from that commercial break. Apostle John Prah, ewa ha ye guso aye train komo na enkomo baby e ko no me de pa o say okoye DJ. And Apostle is ube DJ. Anamo machines amode na ma na mo bonyo.
Big time. Pour more sounds.
Pour more sounds. That was a year ben no. We di be say.
A be mid 80s ni. Yeah, because 83 na me 4-5.
Ache
85, 86. We have about 88, 90.
Yes, that time is it will be the next. All right, the more na call ne buy.
Yeah, your ball program no make us afia da in ban. Ya pona no. Inti me rolling we no. After my reggae tunes na I had to hand over to Bembella. No be take you over. And then one lady signaled me until the museum could do in a cheap.
one leader or come home and call and so kotono.
Me kotono. Say o call out there. Mo adwuma mo ye de mo ya no. Say Yesu ni mo eno ana mo.
Yesu, we dey Yesu mpa.
Then it turned out, I don't know up to now, my news or spirit and I saw any.
Lady now, ono ebe signal ono or free show na say the OP.
Yes, yeah, NPO, but you call a little bit closer to the Eponono. Yeah, and then me down one say one short guy ba. Me 10 years me who lady ni bio na me so me dwane.
Wow. Ofre wo de wo ben Epono hono. Na who say shorty bi eba mo nchen.
Yeah. Many TNM the hospital.
Hey.
And then family be no more kofodi a me family. A queer chairman ne filonom and a mama chairman.
Okay.
Until I know we are Pentecost for. We call Pentecost for some time.
Yeah. Yeah.
From that time. And then one day at the Bathing Power Hall, Dr. Mensa Otape was preaching on the thing, understanding the new birth.
Understanding the new birth.
Okay. That is the time I really got born again. I check.
Next, pastor no preaching anymore. Hono na like ofa nyame. That very day na ofa nyame.
Seriously, na ma fa, but that na me fa nyame ankasa.
Nti hono edwuma ne sha ase.
I had to say a born again Christian being born again.
I like that.
Renewing your mind and your because the word was, hard. So I really took it. And I'm very until from there no. Now me papa a music producer. Papa a big time music producer.
Papa ne did the same.
Gapofon Records.
Oh, okay.
Nkwala nimu no. Gisem. Senior Eddie Donko.
Oh.
Erama Bedu. Pat Thomas nye do ton series no Pat
Thomas otonyo no.
Jolaka no na papa na don buy. Yes.
No, a big time producer.
Oh yes. On Mama Cranton, all those guys.
Oh, okay.
We stayed in the same place with them. Gabofun Records, yeah, big.
Say Dina Bono,
yeah,
in Ghana music.
Kekel Kabobo nyati crab and try CDs.
Oh, yeah, nyati girl. Oh, okay, okay.
Those times, near music, and then near shop war. Unse call 31st Market war. Container post office bureau, post office netchino, story building bureau. Tim papa the shop ne mami. After me here born again. Tina me ton CDs war.
Okay.
And then one day, group be no more fellowship. Our market name. And I true woman baby no mudina no. No mbesre me many more. Some person here meetings no.
Okay.
So I had to be part of the meeting. Because un to me na one for 4 years or rebels.
Okay.
And the choir no mo say omo co waiting Watria Mountains. And I'm decided I say me join them.
Na Kumasi ha na say
No, na mo Accra.
Okay. Okay.
But you dey Kumasi. E we fi just say.
Na me busasa no.
Nti ye buy. Ye buy no me di 6 months man coffee. Me was so ansa na ye siaba. Nti ye see no. And I may say me some renovation or shop wall. So I bought new speakers near there. Because the market was quite okay.
Okay, yeah.
Until the first time I made the machines nearby, and I just tall speakers. Yes. And I'm a current one here. But the Bible need just at all.
Hey.
And then guy, be that man no cry for cry me no did Jesus or market all. And I'll be catching him saying, "I say me ko na juma."
Yes, anything na speakers no eja tutu mo no.
Mean to me in Canada.
Okay.
But a journey to two. As to whether nyame na share no and I say no na share there e were radin sem. But when that guy came to tell me, and I was like, into the next week, a week after that time, no buy, that's what we could do. No more sign about here.
Okay.
And I'm in normal buy. Almost 2 years now in coffee.
What shot at you for 2 years? So that's not calling no Abba.
Fina na Abba.
Abba.
The group I me koto and the best starting ministry of Boise after the 2 years of my stay. Even knew the 3 years.
It was raw.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, a beach since how?
It was raw.
Yes, 7 me quite them penny for. Hey, by being all my bar no more cock, no my bar. By a group there was like hona na ete ubesi a around village ness or na villages na or no asan akoshe ho ti e ba na e be start ministry of was and since then me have been
ministry na one kasa ministry
no me some penny for
okay
Jesus Power Evangelistic Ministry that's all
hona say
yes
na like and I'm say one kasa the worship until was sorry what that social will be as
afia na my person me prayer camp like a retreat center.
Oh, okay.
By myself for penny.
Okay. Next store na be ashe so for na say.
Yeah.
Na why your prayer camp.
Yeah.
Okay. Na did more you hear say apostle asan movies.
Yeah.
Na and also the beto mo say.
You like this actual thing. Na saying na me aboko kakra but me July born.
Okay.
To July be I'm here 40 days fast.
Okay.
To prepare me for the year-long program. So, like my routine fasting or waiting in July, I had gone to Achia to do my 40 days.
Okay.
Incidentally, so now Miracle Films. Waba abisi dan bi wa Achia. Tino no so otabe waiting. So no so aba. Na na yo de ba and say opese or was some gospel series bi opese otwitwa. And this time around, a person will be or your soft one kasa. He played the role of a soft in the movies nowadays.
Oh, okay.
And unza actually also no baby I me connect come 3 and only under Methodist Church. Into oversee no Methodist in the Fridays, Wednesdays, and Sundays a joint service for.
Oh, actually.
Yeah. So the leadership there will select one of the pastors. To preach, and as Obey it's a program each Friday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So Wednesday, no, your mommy here all night, and then Friday too, all night, and then Sundays almost me na me preach.
It's 3 days.
It was strange to me because any normal actually, because the one I try baby I call no anya careful, obe deceive. Top ministers come pen for ba obi wa unnim no tu ko bu ni panim tia ho no ma wani bewu until atwa say wo kwa so bro won ase cause obi ho no ma ebi o so fu pani bi o baby but waiting no ye nti na ebi a ya drama na nim aya hwea
do an hwea because
wo ko bu na nim tia what try wrong meet so it was like hey nah and then later I realized Miracle was part. Until now, me real Sunday no more be home. Say na oba so be. Na nipa no film bisa me say me movie na.
Okay.
So I needed to consult 1 or 2 people. Na me catch and say oh. So that time no them say me twam 30 days. Na me a few days to finish my waiting. Till me catch and so me wie. Na me wie and then never answer. And then I had to call my senior pastor. And I'm a friend me here. And I'm a friend me papa. These are the 3 people and I'm person motias. They give me the green light there. And the other day hear me kakra me so for penny because no nani so kakra. But God so good no money na and then I told the man say okay me. The next morning on the gadgets in the bus bro.
Let's okay so be na dey chin ya na buy say.
Enti sa movie we nyame
Nyame.
And it to me we started shooting from up there on the
by Miracle Films.
Yes.
All right. Nyame ye ba be share is ya be movie industry no. Ye ba be di movie no monkomo. Na ye hu hustle how anima esiko. Enti ye go for another commercial break. Ye be san ba sisia.
Ewia, if I shop na me hwa de o bag.
Bra Addai, and then so game.
Na tell me about me share me see you ba queen why me say.
Bra, said your time about Mesha, Esia Jimmy ni fear for enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye.
Ready do this o fa ni nyina.
Bra, se me ka se me di time about Mesha ho dance ya. Riase nyina ebe te me nka. Enti se malaria, wadra ni time about Mesha.
Enya nunko, die nanum ato a wontumi anidie no. Wadra ni time about Mesha. Edre enye ma oba wa fa afuro. Die wo ma akoda no fo. Enye akoda woni mfie dumienu. Ansa na obeto time about Mesha edre ibi no. Hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo a 3-day malaria ibi ansa.
And Crossway Food and Drugs Board for Ajiatu. Kayo se time ni TIME. time herbal mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no.
Say no to mosquitoes. Say no to kakalika. Mosquito spray for phobia. Any classic no. Uko gaswa kasamibia no. Mami me tobacco to me no. Mami no. No mosquito for AM. And Samsung poo with yet. That's a wow. Kill them. Full of fool. Kill them. Full of fool. As a kill them. Full of fool. Full of fool. Mama yes shit. Mama yes shit. Mama yes shit. Mama yes shit. Mama yes spray. Mama yes spray. Mama yes spray. Classic no mosquito spray and coil. Who better feel it? Say I don't and no.
We nyamini pao.
Unyami adre. We nyami kokuo. One way one. One get to say unyami esida. One which is a one of flower. What's the name of papa? Who's the What's the matter to talk
Touch him not. Touch him not.
That one not. That one not. Come flock on a poor. That one not. That one not. A German. Therefore, when I did in the Bible, crowd giant. Wow, let's say that upon the heaven. Yamini power so dinner copoti. Oh, kuta papo, a pretty no. Mimicana who's yet. I never cried out. Midden hammer. You see, and come on me, but who didn't get the any cabo. Why are the one there? I already. Let's only meet Teddy Mebois. That's now, don't walk over. Hey, what was the matter? My mother said, Yami, whom about me. Yakupo, who's my Bobby. But they are rough bang, Yami, Bobby, and Mumba. Make good at this bed 50 make any photocopies. Now, and your Bible, and Nipa Fakra. That's a Cassia, over to imagine. Oh, over to imagine. Open my papa, one is here. Ah, Papa Bamo. Maybe two to say. Papa person is here to read. Open Sabaka, and I ask it. Maybe Bob Bomber, who must say, Obakasia, Usi. You could tell me. Second, what to understand first, are you part of our total son or mimic on Ferrimpo? Mimatadia, on Ferrimpo. Mimatadia, what to son, Mimatadia. To it. Yami, one Mababa called nothing. I'm a Simon Dabra, so never call. But to me, Miss Papa Dam, but to me, but to me. Go to them, go to the one was seen about Sanaoka. What do you boom? Sanaoka. What are you ring for own to so? Bon Sanam, Croma, and Jimmy. What can I say? Why am I boo? Why am I boo? Nami whom why am I probable about Yapatam Catso? Yan to two of you. I am me appointed. We are punching on an me no balcon. Me not put her. Joe! Many ready for Jamuko, and you're ready no corner. Many ready for Tom. I am my banana. My bonnet. Now, also miss my own bonnet. Nothing I will find again. I didn't know from again. What one not fair crime? Yes, okay. What you never mean? Some any day, my column. Yet telling them some, I think I'm a son, and no crime will never go. Who cuts in the and no crime and church, and my column for this woman. Who your patima will never go. Who never to make a farmer. Lipa who the Bible to a before, mattress in Yenda to track and Tim. Who to make a house say, what possible cat to tell me, huh? Open the block at me. Found in Amaso. Bozam to show Raddy. Whoa, for whom I Raddy. Right, wow. Sir, look at that. Oh, okay.
Welcome back, young fan Comano and Shishasu. Apostle, they say no, what's your first movie? Which are two movies that time now? You press over interested in no. Two movies na mucha here.
Straight away. Oh, you try. Maybe starting you try more. Almost about 6
miracle films now. And that time they believe in you because one acted that.
Yeah.
And a role now play a soft role in that movie.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Your mommy role na software memo.
Your mom role na say software onye, but also your actor. As an actor, they think a role be the man was think away.
So be on the priority.
Because my show movies be now we arm robber.
Yes.
And no say
but at the end of the day, the arm robber got born again.
Oh, okay.
So what can say me arm robber? Na me wu. In the course of the movie as an arm robber, I'm not in.
Why?
Because the armed robber must accept Christ.
Okay.
Me, I'm added to portray Jesus.
Okay. Okay.
Armed robber no so obetumi asakra be preacher ana.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tis all ka say me play armed robber. Na say e be preach a kire no. Ama na be sakra. Akasa kire armed robber bi say onye bola. O sakra na me beje no. Doesn't matter how bad he looks or he is.
Okay.
And they may but say obewu on the money mu a.
So it's not just the money near the amount, but the script.
Yes.
Storyline, no. Oh, sir.
Very obi anim say me enye gospel amenye.
Until that's a movies in akoye movies a wo hwa utimi nya futuo bi free.
Say me ye so for ansa na mkotwa movie no.
Oh, okay.
Ntina wa say as of Juma no ebem. That is my policy anyway.
And u choose that in part na affect you say bia e ma movie twa so be conform. Gonye movies na ya suffer line.
Oh yes, we say a drew baby no suffer line e call form. And on the bus I me call form.
Yeah.
And I have to agree to go from because say me ma dey see me say Christ na me portray. That should be my goal.
Okay.
Sikan dey head but you ska bia na yedi. Say me ba movie mu na bibia na me ya ka na kran kan frame.
Yeah.
Kama die. Kadapa ya kofu bi twame. But no ntini hu hia sin ska bia de be ma.
Yeah. It miracle films o twa ni movies a o charge.
Oh, me mostly no in charge.
Now nyina say
Yes,
o
but so who says who mamska.
Oh, okay, say bia wo be twa wie na wa fa drop am say kofie.
Who do obi ko twasene na who wie na man dropping some fan go on pesa o ton sene no. We pa bonini. Because it is business now.
Oh yeah. Is say when miracle films mon tem to say.
Oh yeah, me papa.
Sir. I'm for so who ne nana montuo this time. I say who no. Say was the first na bianca apostle miracle but this time no.
Movies be no oye ne nansan a minimum ti a unhu me ne no.
Sir. Kofo na ka Ghana fo na ka na yibu say.
Oni
ne ntem eti say.
Omunsu yi.
Problem bi ani oni.
Because me kai say me last movie I'm in here who kill my say wa. Current now.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Ono Crass Miracle Production no. MC after that movie no. The other two movies na aba. Yes, after who kill my say wa no. And Calibus the year. No, I don't know whether it's out. And I know sir from next week we no way juma.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yes. Maybe a miracle in and out.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Ono no nye movie asem nko he is like a father to me.
Oh, okay.
Nti ono no de me bam. Me ba kuma se ya. Efia me kotena mu first. Ono na rent here.
Oh, okay.
Me once the cry nim. So 2-3 years payment no na after no answer na me start here to ya. So somebody like that no me so so yes suffer.
But yet maybe say apostle say obey oba movie industry no na kwa say when you ba movie no more na on time kwa sorry and cresa
ntumi see that me cry me movies ni bi on mo cry church scenes no me ya sorry na mbetwa.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Most of the church scenes no omo follow me to where I'm a program no mo twa dey shame.
Oh, okay.
As long as they say me if you are moving now.
Yeah. Now, Uba movie industry, it is same because you can and the movies for Sebi or Muya Koshi for or Mokosset Swan, same CC. It will be a soft canon, be my money be to me in a show. Uba industry, no, so pressure, maybe also.
Open so show, I'll be sure.
Open so show, I'll be sure.
But if you are determined, I won't show.
Okay.
One of the things are all outside that you don't know. And until me can say Nancy Akwebi or Shenkombi about me.
Yeah.
About movie for say be call hell or say then. The knowledge on movie no yaketwa.
Sir, say be your share near me koso in the industry now.
Not dream sir.
Oh, okay.
Because you see, when you're on set, near cast or banner or be madam paswa. In that room no banner or be man that. Say cameraman
or
assistant director or boom man on you.
Bia or
Then only na mo fa mo. Ade. So you see, when you are outsider, you don't know what really go on.
Yeah.
And because you don't know what goes on there, no, from a wow perception, how they kasa from a queer mind. Okay, may I want to blame you because me no me ma move no sana na me
So yeah.
But when you go on set ube hu say empake to anu kwa na wu director no director no ogina ho akwa e no continuity ogina ho cameraman and assistant ogina ho soundman ogina ho nti wo na ozi
Intimate masa
so wo pese odi nsem a enye set no so mawie na ade beko nti obi a onni mu no office abonsam adwuma na oye a small mind.
You see, you share industry now. Movies never. Be Apostle John Prah this, Apostle John Prah that. Movies be na mo. See, say adwuma na man for say I say na mo say no. More actors, directors, producers. Yes, mo na mo say mo adwuma. And so most of na mo dey share TV series and na doom so near there. But yes, mo na mo say adwuma no.
I no dey me say I say no. Ne mo na mo say no no. Say a drew baby no sika ho ebeye dene. See, so the marketing side of it no echo form. And adwuma no so na discan here dey. What you say? Obi ani ho no mo be go into a venture say okwakoboka. Nti say ade ne dane ano adane hu bi. Say me say no, omo ma me ti ase say a drew baby no gospel no ba form.
The movies are more no.
Yes.
A call form.
Yes. And then no me no I was say me ti ase.
Okay.
Say times and seasons. Say a drew baby no na ejako gina so. A drew baby no Apostle Prah gina so. Say Apostle Prah gina so and say gospel no koso. A drew baby no kojon cancer be gina so.
Yeah.
Kojon cancer no obi gina so a na say sala na call. Say Nana Mac Brown no they are always on.
Yeah.
Because onu twafa obetwa
all round.
Acrobat twafa obetwa. But me no I decided say twafa ha no me ntwaje say twafa gospel.
Yes, so the whole line on nam so. And why yes about
Inti me no say me dey no come for any news to me.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because I know say it wouldn't be gospel forever. Because people are doing business. So what I decided me say ebi a me cry no me form me production way that when people decide not to go into the gospel no but the gospel no be ba mako to me two movies I hear me am production.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ebusua no me and I kwanje
and a wow production.
yes.
Oh, okay.
Because I want the gospel no at least enkokra entim shouldn't be forgotten cry.
Okay.
Because when I came in on me the kind of we are the bar Christian.
Okay.
A boy,
yeah, it's true, because I know boy man,
a lot more.
Yeah.
And yes, on the permas and crack people accepted Christ after watching the movies.
Yeah. Now, what your movie be? I'm a movie number out. Maybe I'm not seeing be a see I see where the I will movie man coming.
There's only one movie. There's only one movie. And no me kasa on the set. But the writer did not agree with me. And the director and so agree there was this movie it was a comfort oba sorry there ebe pamu nipa ni nyina fi aso there. I didn't understand the
more yeah sorry no.
Yes.
Comfort ebe pamu nyina fi sorry there mo
because there's a seed of akom indoors of mama. It was a comfort. Just say I saw them
moving a title. I say
title they mean by Frank Gabin that is. Yes.
Yeah.
I never liked that scene up till now.
And so when me anya hwan
oh say me kind want I say don't so what the oppressor or the chere. But one movie I saw from pen for be 3 question me wo da.
Na one script no. Ya mo script am one kind say BBC be PM or movie no. Na okotwa.
You see, say o director your boss.
Okay. Yeah.
Most of the directors I mean no my adwuma no. E drew baby sa omo bisa me.
Okay.
Say sign na me dwen fa ho. Ebi o no ma me raise, ebi o obefa, ebi o onfa.
Yeah.
Say onfa be make me and so that's how it is.
There's a bit say see that. Into who na movie na ba wi.
Oh yeah, it was unfortunate but there was nothing I could do. Who say nyame mu no so no one thing about God me say me man carry a me ti bebu me for.
Yeah.
As me kana wan ti ase a my man famu there.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Apostle, me story we ban and saying, yes, you ukuma me any rituals.
Za go na o yare
Oh, oyare so so for
me nye sure so yes so I'm say na adwen no atoche kakra no oye mistake because obi sem say picture na omo dey me ma me 1 week no na oye young girl.
Okay.
Nti sa MC sa at sa picture no it was in her late 50s. But my mother died at 81. Na she get drove for your dem one I say na go bia uska. So nti no say wo gina e say sad. But I decided to
ignore. So friends and producer so for your friends Evangelist Addai.
Yeah, me nya sure so papa.
Onye papa.
Maybe or yes Addai no to for no any benefit because and some or the to tongue for so near the said and say I was opening Kwame despite blood we no waje no the what kind of nonsense is that? It is as a kolebu for the names of no packages are blood now was a Kenyan Sabeno.
Is it we are software what is say o yonko sofu bi
I don't see him as me yonko sofu. No me nim so onye sofu. Who said na say or the call sofu back to kum chacha. And Obeka say the neighbor no has but down for.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it's true or not, but I don't believe so. But now on my transport say they are quite way by me say but down for Brian Fanamasa. And then you know, me beginning, I decided not to make any comment about it. But there's a woman be, I mean, no, meaning sending queer soft. My call my sorada, this city in US. Maryland. Yeah, so I know that girl. And then she commented, na me catches a small mind. On a man me comment here or something because I don't know minimum. And on so ni me. And on no said on no tea no him say me.
Yeah.
So when she then she later called and then apologized to me.
Oh, okay.
But I didn't need her apology.
Yeah. Apostle, you share asofufu ya I say Ghana for lusu gidi asofufu because of niamana ebi mu ye ntinim. You being a man of God no?
Can never be true. Can never be true. Oh, I am there. Let's say Obia nim say Pentecost ana Presby.
Yeah.
Methodist. Assemblies of God. Omo ya sorry papa anamboa.
Yeah.
Asofo na o kana o problem wo no. One man churches. Right? Meboa.
Sana go foka.
Sana wo so wodwene. Enti say wo ka say you lose because of omo I don't really get it. Assemblies of God, ne church e wo Kumasi nko a. E so church one man church hold the whole Ghana.
Okay.
I don't know whether you are getting me. But the member say Central Gospel Church.
Yeah.
Ne branch say one cry nko a no. E so church obi a wo kana say na sorry e wo Ghana nyina put together. When you take Methodist Church, one district, it will be bigger than ABME. Me one sorry Ghana. When I put them together, no Methodist one district will be bigger than mine.
Yeah.
The Usos are also what they call it.
Some amount for can I credit.
And what the old trans are now analyze.
Well, analyze them who say
into our quantifier. Or the offer assemblies.
Yeah.
And for the whole Ghana, one district per any region cry. Because even Central Gospel, no, so we Central Gospel Greater Accra, we now congregated together. A bed doors was sorry now can the whole Ghana about here.
Yeah. And obedience man say.
Yeah. But at the end of the day, we in Christ we know say at the end of the day, Bible say Accra never be rather changes or rubber.
That's right.
So whatever is going on, it has to be so. Okay. At a point, no, we all congregate together. And then GDP go nyame asem ntwantro
no crepa nyame asem ntwantro enkomo no ayede I think say apostle obi ebie nyama ne so e de achaye pa na interview so be ma yesu nyama bebre aha EnterChat ene ne apostle John Prah na e de enkomo ye de interview no e ba besi apostle me pese utu yefo ene the youth of this country nyama ekoso no ya hadwen ene obeti say tramo no ya do so ha you to be nti you being a man of God now when your influence e wo yeso no me say o hwe me camera no
yeah na ye masa ne man koso awofo no o ma di nkwala no achi trimu de kankan e na ye ntia nkwala ne e na masa ne man nyina ba who say when you study Psalm 23 carefully, or say a radigiant call in Sua Honjo. And you want to call Ujao no doko.
Radigiao.
Or do fa a quaint training so. So, no one a quaint. I a quaint training. Yet the wagon. Or do or the and move food so or brawa to open water for him. Now, crew I am mabuso. A year near doye do it. But along the line, that same psalm, he carries Naba and a puma. Now, one thing that we must understand, and then they say, or the air to two, a shepherd man and the sheep. Like say in the church, the senior pastor is the shepherd, the congregation is the union. He is leading the union to ensure a hundred. Understands that what his guiding principle are, or the leading a union to ensure a hundred, and a ban in a command. A ban or the betrayal. Pumano on Frencha, or the defended Abuano. Fulani no here dino. Ukraban Ukrasikan. On Fasikan Chanentry, or the Bekum. Any strange animal that can cause harm to Nentrino, and all this kind of attack. So the shepherd man has his staff and the rod, guiding you to ensure to the prepared table, to the Mosra, and then the year near Doyabeba. Now, when you spare the rod, you spoil the child. It is a child banwa or child say you fall in line to only quite training so. I buy you then you try to make some money. And no confront but that is the point. Answer now be do prepare table no maybe an abana trabe me answer. Obi o an abana ye nim ka. Obi be bo okoto. Ni nyina na say I don't believe say ogwanhwefo bia no opese na abo opira ansa no aton. No now price ne conform. Nti o nyusu sekan no. Ne okura ba ne poma no amfa poma ne mo no aba no de betwa no. Aba no so no odi twa na trene say ba bia okono wo ya free kwantene ne so. O free kwantene ne so awo beka wo. Ka betumi abu na em. So that is it. That is the only thing that is missing now.
No, so still na yakoswa na
ya mfa mamu asa na ebenya. Anything that so for ba betumi adoje akono tramo. Because otiana na ma be go to the defense. And ko be ka say this are time.
All right. Yeah, and then Apostle Ebibi and some so ama maybe o Bible no and then Apostle Ebibi so mama tia say pa and you better not say you two and suffer no obae am you twetwen komo on EnterChat. Enti you better say share mo kai say time heba mesha e wodwa so e ba malaria o dia na time heba mesha ko na ko GB na fe bobo na onipedua no enya na na so you better say share bi on EnterChat. Apostle e da se pa
if I shop na me share your bag.
Bra Addai and not so bien.
Na tell me about me share me see you ba queen why me say.
Bra said the time heba mesha esia Jimmy ni me fearful enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye.
We dey do this so fa ni nyina.
Bra se me ka se me di time heba mesha ho adanse a riase nyina ebe te me nka enti se malaria wadra ni time heba mesha.
Enya nunko die nanum ato a wontimi anidie no wadra ni time heba mesha edwe enye ma oba wafa afuro de wo ma akoda no fo enye akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto time heba mesha edwe ibi no hwese wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo a 3-day malaria ibi ansa
And Crossway Food and Drugs Board for Ajiatu Kayo se time ni TIME time heba mesha afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no ebe
Say no to mosquitoes. Say no to kakalika. Mosquito spray for phobia. Any classic no. Uko gaswa kasambi bia mi no. Mami mi toba kwa tomenu. Mami no. No mosquito for anyam. And sansumpu was yet kasa wow. Oh la fo. mosquito spray and coil. Who better feel it? Say I don't and no.